Hello, everybody. My name is Kate McDonald. I study social science and I want to become a lawyer. I am here today to talk to you about and to show you how to use Virtual Writing Tutor. Virtual Writing Tutor is a free online grammar checker that can help you count your words, check your grammar, check your spelling, check your punctuation, and way more. And the best part is that it is 100% free. It is important for me to use the best grammar checker because when I am going to be a lawyer, I will need to write some important contracts to clients and we don't want any kind of errors in those contracts. Let's begin by opening any kind of browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, it doesn't matter. Then you will click in the address bar that can either be in the center or at the top of the web page. Then you will write Virtual Writing Tutor and you will click enter. As you may see, the Virtual Writing Tutor is the first search that comes up. Then you will click on it. Here's the website. As you can see, in the middle is a big white blank space that is surrounded by a black line. This blank space is the text area where you can write your text or where you can copy paste text that you already wrote in a different writing platform. Right under the text area are multiple checkboxes that can help you correct and improve your text. Let me show you how it works. First of all, I am going to write a sentence and I am going to make some mistake. Mr. Paul Jackson was arrested in 2012 for insurance fraud. In court, he pled guilty and was sent to prison for 2 years. When you're finished writing or copy paste your text, you can left click on the check spelling box. As you may see, some of my words are underlined in red. This means that those words are misspelled. To correct them, you just have to left click on them to see spelling suggestion. You can see Mr. Frog. After you finish correcting all your underlined word, and if you want to check your grammar, you can click on the check grammar button. As you can see, it will automatically scroll down the text area. At first, you will see your word count, your error count, and your error density. When you have some error, first of all, you are going to have the sentence where is your mistake, then a feedback on how you should correct them, and some of the error will also have a link provided so you can learn more about those mistakes. As you can see, plead isn't right written. You can see the feedback. The pronoun he is usually used with a third person or a past sentence verb. Pleads, plead, pled. So we are going to correct that. So in court, he pleaded. My second error is send. I wrote this sentence like in court. He pleaded guilty and was sent to prison for 2 years. But the right form is with the past participle sent. So you can correct that. And my last grammar error was the word year, that when it is with the word two or more should be at plural and have an S. After that, you can double check your text by re-clicking on check your spelling. As you can see, I don't have any more underlined word. You can check back on your check grammar. As you can see, I have an error count of 0 and an error density of 0. So now my text is completely free of mistake, and yours also can be if you use Virtual Writing Tutor. Thank you. Have a nice day.